TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya Kumawu TV amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedi Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biyasha amansane winyano baby ya. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano bebia Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood ni anshe jumadi no ase entem yakna si benyamre na yedi nkomo meden ere se Mike aha eya Kumawood TV obetumi so ahwe live on Facebook Kumawood TV on YouTube and so eya Kumawood TV and some no edo so enra His Excellency the President the 25th speech na say an address to the nation about COVID-19 shall say by in somewhere March 2020 enra and some of the two Johnson for COVID-19 ho vaccines no yensa akabi ayababe wo ede aboa na we no eye womoa na omodi kan obi edi kan wo obi somewhere last be 2 months or so na ye ni mo say enka May 2nd to May 9th ebetumi awo na yensa nka vaccines yen na ene fi kwade kro yes san akọ ne akọ vaccines no inti the TNS over 220 million population I heard him speak about vaccines ni bi no penisi munya abotre the politics around no ma a delay kakra but anya den anu a vaccines no there will be enough for all of us say betimi awo na yenim ran ne hye no so na afi entumi emwa no so ho komo e wa ha so and the fight against illegal mining and another penning for regional Ashanti regional minister and afin so no Samuel Abu Jinapo ene otumfo opimso te tu kokohia ye na omudi nkomo opimso de to manim se mo come ho yeti hey about 30% of us illegal mining enei ya betodwa ene say over the weekend the National Women Organizer for the NPP Mami Kate Jemfua about 8 of her excavators are mining small scale mining the man operation hot for no edija atum asene dwere be a enye agro manfo tu se ono so kra no oye illegal mining no ebi na aban mu mpanimfo amo no na amo enko be ka sabi ye di manamo achi afutu amode ma ye di achire na se mo ankasa kra no mu guso illegal mining dia na sabi kwahwe akwabi a yete be bia ni sikago ebotum a ye community ehun se gold kakra ho a ye no yemfa yenye ne nsuo ho ana yenye ne forest mu de ada na ye ya wo se stop ye no questions a Ghana for ebre no ebuse benya mre na yetumi edi ho enkomo no the minister in charge of energy Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh and so over the weekend press brief na course so what they atuja achire mu se ene dum so a ekoso o my Ghana no enye dum so nemum no since 1950 1960 homa yesi ene ade kane ne yusu over 161,000 votes ene ye twemu be 30 million population ne kosoro nti ebe nya se ebe nsisi kakra ede abayen kane ne ho eno nti ene dundum kane ano nti ono de obefre enkane awe no a edum no se edum ensiesie na emum no enye dum so se de enkane bi na yenya ne John Dramani Mahama ne breso no eno so ho komo ewa ha nei awosam ayekopie mu ewa hene makokoben eno no ewa santimantem ene se ade se edan wo fence wo kura ebu ede agu oyere ene okunu a wo dem na o anadwo wada buogom so anwo nyina no etumi ekumomo ibenyamre na yetumi edi nkomomeden ede se Mike aha Kumawu TV asida enko emfa ema yaboafo so mo boa me de juma de abre wo Tawhid na Topate Clinic wo se yare bi aha obi ano bra Kumase Bodi na ontumi enhwew sanso na Bestland Estate Limited wo se se opa asase papa ato asase a manso eni ho ha obi a eni ho ato no obobeboa wo ama onso wanya bi atumi ato bra beto na kra na ba ho so no na why landlord ona so enye tenant bio Kumase omo ewo S5 achiwa ewo crew from CPC sanso na Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center enso wo kwawu etibi eskafo amantem na Malam so how bi ano say ye onhu mo ye honamani say adwuma sem aware sem say eye akontu nsem onu bi abobra na ebia eduba bi ofaso twa obo wayere okunu nyina no mo ha maware onsem famada na aladaroma ontimi emom kwati bi eskafo mantem ho na behu Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center omo na ebo amede dwumadi no atumi ade bro Kumawu Training Institute ense ebantete ya yede tete wo amu hu kwan fast wo tomato paste kwan fast wo ice cream kwan fast wo 3D ene de ka ho a ye boa akyerew ama so watumi ehunu ye nyina eke ho de dwumadi no bro me guest na me no musi nkonya Yakubu Moro Ashanti Regional Communication Team of the NDC and afin so Oproman Abraham Bodi so be join here or your former KMA presiding member so be join here to nyamre etumi edi enkomo once again oje nche fabra on WhatsApp or be buy be kan edi amount so na the ordinary message e be kan edi amount or your voice mail so the buy be bo any video e bo amount for so ehun de wo kan basically we'll be looking at the fight against illegal mining. Specifically, what is Kennedy Japan also saying? Say the approach by the sector minister, and Operation Hot now is a wrong approach. They will fail this time round also. And then 8 excavators belonging to the National Women Organizer of the NPP, Madam Kate Jemfua, has been banned completely. The allegation is that she is into illegal mining activities in our country. And then we'll also be looking at the power crisis in our country, Dumso or Dumsi. Your view, your thought, your comment. Fabra, Ninyamre, and Kenka, Enfa, Emao. Kwaba. Badika de Sala. Badika de Sala. Badika de Sala. Yes. Okay.
If you fit in fact, you didn't wear.
I'm very. Yeah. I don't know every month, but August. Okay.
I don't know the one good name, and your mum raffle.
We know so.
Young Kofa, a cook full sense, and no dear. Saying Kawa or Dan can impute crank, how could it then? And say, so. Nanka ni pado bona so set me I can so no din sida papa na acclamation na I can na ne ka fu ise se ya na be kono dia ene akufu stranga dia na sampe so mo tell won won me
na say accomplishment na maye mawie but extrasem no ene ma nko yisa
ye mu brother yan fa ne say chire kom no e ba ne say e ni bi adopted so mostly most of the more past 10 years do not share the so I'm watching before 30 they will be there to 6 p.m. from even after 6 p.m. by large extent we are 15 minutes beyond 6 p.m.
Okay.
Now what breaking now spend it who breaking so now we don't feel near there nobody near the spending was but here now I was near the phone so they actually come on I ever see a video or see a gun and Ashanti Red Hair Cancer President, the woman so say, Okofaba and Fat. Okofaba and I said, with me, Puna and San Sansonas or the Kubu free to one, yeah, good light. No, I said. the same for instance, not President Muhammad time, then you promote Mrs. Sabibri and the company because most of cows now in your friends and Pontine in your neighbor, most of them are coming from Burkina Faso.
Okay.
What I say, I want to see emphasize in war. It is safe and I say for instance, I said before, how much rubber?
Name and Kuyi.
So,
who salary no so said the Kabuno.
They crash doom son, you have a doom and can't proceed
Doom see, no.
Now, Sunny sees
you come there, but
Sunny sees.
Okay.
Who says, yeah, but when I begin come away, my body cut a salad. And I'm in my own Samson, I make okay. So, and I'm not so crown, so answer. So now the question free one near do like. No, no, so I say, come for more timetable, more the bay, yeah, or more. So, they say, I didn't want it. Okay, and I'm a one. Right,
even I'm ready.
Nim die, but not time I ever be doing the light.
Right.
Then I'm answer.
All right.
What the question free the mood.
Good.
This is a month for
okay, Yakum Moro na 10 and kind 30 days. We say be month in one ha. Me said up you know come for am me show you na Inusa bin Kabore Yakum Moro any all the Muslims are omo eka me panelists no nyina no mama me so monye fast and mompae emfama Ghana to be ensia oba no kire say in fact omo dia wi de omo fast na wi de but ho kire no de eda so ewo ho well the CEO Henema Kokoben very sad news me pese ye hwe na ye mfanti of kakra bi na afie ba ye mumgremu ewo amanyesemu se fence war nipa na to no fence war na ye week ne co-tenant and I say can say ne neighborhood o no mote ho accompany ama wanye ama akobu ebu ye so emu anwu fie do ano so akobu agudi one na share wo no eso ama nei one na yire nyina omo atwa na no e won said very sad news asi ene ye hwemra eba ebetu ho fo na afei ya to ankomo ne so
mewura me da sepa ela ya ntia sempa so na itinum sana ihunim fenfo ifie wo ya ogun the friends one ebu akogu omuso na ama blog we dey da wa kase nyina ntomi enu nyina obi ankasa ti antia sempa enu kura nsuo toy na oba na abepese ne atie dia nsuo tai ha nsuo tai friends one na nsi na oke se ne minu ejina ho babia wo gina nsuo no tie no dodo ata hono no ne dodo no nti am se entumi anyina ne nyina mu na ebi ewe no ana ama friends one nti na abu akobu nchense no friends one bo nchense no ana brekro no aso saa de we eso ko bo omoso na ama o ma yo nyame dia mewura me da sepa senka samansa ma pani wa ha nka me pefi se yedi kan ni na ye mo djuma bebre bu ha nsuo no se no aya na ye pese ko no oda cross ru ana ho no ompene ebu wa ma pese nsuo ni fa ko a e be ntokwa saa ndo ya we ya ba die ejitum se ma appraise for ne abanya bem ni rekwa obi report saa na ho na mia metu bi ho na mo bebre bu wa ne susuan no nipa no be se wu ni fi comprender ndo ha opani se no ye no owie no de net e to ano ti net no entumi na tiri be gu ha no entumi anko na ma susuan no be kai a akofa atore ncham wi abre sesi a nyame ncha de ye posi pani no ya de one ne nkofo apesisa abeyi o ma free dining no mu gu ha sesi a no ama kai abefa o mu konde se ye mejitum se sa be de o mu mochi se ye kan okra ha pa de nkan nsuo ni ha na masre se obi ni obi bosi ewo friends one no na ni nsam susu ani frifie ho ekwa na masre ifie wu afo se omunya ntiase na ebi a omuye nu nyina anya gata ɛmfa fie baako na ɛwɔ mu ɛnkɔtɔ abɔnten ɛna bɛboɔ bebree because ntɔkɔ a wokuro mu apaa kɛseɛ paa ne nea ɛsi na ɛyɛ ara wɔ wosi mu nti afutu a bɛma sɛ ɛfiri saa abere kɔ sɛ yɛba wɔ fie ɛbɛka sɛ bɔmmɔden ama ɛkwan na yɛmfa susua no nto fie no fɛn so ano nkɔ a wɔn yɛ kwan na bibi ama ankɔfa wuwu ati sɛ nipa mmienu brane nipa abrane mmienu sɛ awarefoɔ wɔn awu mpofra mu a sɛbi ayɛ awerɛwo sɛ.
Me want for me one day baby ama me no me friend do when I yakula papa why you so far adabio
mewura meda ase paa ɛnɛ yɛnte asɛmpa sɛnea yɛte no saa na yɛhu nim no fɛnsoɔ ɛfie wɔ yɛ wo bim fɛnsoɔ na abu akɔgu wɔ mu so ɛna ama blog wakɛseɛ nyinaa
right yes I'm wakwaba enti we ɛyɛ de si wɔ ahenema kɔkɔbɛn here in Ashanti region everyone nsuo no to kakra. And then I think on Friday, Saturday night, it's going to crack. Amount for Japadi and Suna Seno. Anyway, Suno Anonom ne say we fence war. Amanet me a boo. Akukum any pam you know or banning the Kunamda demo. So sad. Moro in Suka cry has no.
Name, before no more cry, you see, Amen. We know we are very from sacrificial lamb.
You don't want for dear.
I can't say one about for dear. And of course, usual flooding. In free mood that Abayako Abayaba in free mood that. And I believe say it's a systemic problem. In car president Kufuor was in Temple Bay, the cleanest city in West Africa.
But we
also there no mean time we will your man tell me say. But let us not forget the fact say there are so many gutters around us. I took that. Here. Oh baby
but looking at this building and so no you could well I say A so we know waterlogged area makusi there
definitely
and a fence one sign NCC
a lot of lands are yet riverways in issue Aquania, I will condemn it. I don't hear, but it doesn't mean say Nipan lose or something like that. Only in Suato, send one walk will be in one walk. And I believe said one walk across say be always and Konunko and a woo ya or na can one and but the point is if we have visited the gutters. You should be drew near Edra, it's you at the end of cooking, said one more at least. The news and come productive to our country. There is no soul I will see losing, including some young souls I losing. Now, cooking for no more currency. Amen. But as usual, we will be talking about it, and next week you will be sure. This is one Abai approach in fighting Galamsey or she excavators.
You come there.
No excavators, you need to say gatters.
You come there. Excavators are this gatters, my dear.
It did yes. Is it because of the fact to say so ocean people including President Kufuor say the excavators issue on a bit too wide at the in their 4-year rule? Is that so? And yes. Other than that, we won't say they are not being fair to our constitution. Because my question is what the bonnet and found cocoa to more for an answer Bibia. At the end, just say what the bonnet.
Well, Sinopi, you are live on Kumaru TV. I'm channel bra na Enyamre and Kenkai and from my culture. I said, what do you WhatsApp? Back in Kai, so I was sending video you record yourself the person can the coso area person will draw the attention what the bible at the amount and I feel so what's any voicemail on issues coso my money they discuss here binyamre na yabo etimi at the amount numbers no WhatsApp line and on a good screen and say no into bit me afa now that you etimi aba heard him say former presiding member of the KMA and I feel so NPP regional communication team member Opoma Ibrahim Bodi so abekan ho na yetumi edi enkomo well yentinsi galamsey fight no last week otidi otumfo kan ye na otumfo kasa no I don't know I wasn't part of the delegation na ekushia otumfo together with that of the regional minister any Simon any Samuel Ebujinapo but omo koye no ankasa na kejemfo aka ho now the operation hot for the abane say kejemfo a na excavators na ya hye no because say woye illegal mining well enche honorable Ibrahim Bodi ebe join here yes who ne sa who no say sa na we say na akoye sa and then I want to say na MPP for no and so mo na illegal mining no na omon person be kan okra kire Ghana for ana creating so aba na response so dey ba and say oya small scale mining be illegal mining but operation hot for no so no akwose ne excavators and even when you look at where the excavators were situated at it raises a lot of questions it needs to for me I didn't see it in that way.
There weren't so many holes according to reporters and
yes any videos are airbano but still yeah question no Mintio on the fight against illegal mining you're doing
Penchia Ashafoniati Amujo Tiao wish you let me say
me suspend you
and say okay see Masaba benevolent dictator Oma Yakoya and Bahama Yakoya thank you for the privilege too now senior it is interesting how Onyema panning out in the second term of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa because of the fact say Colonia Bayana Mamfu wouldn't need it say no Boni Bekan goodwill and
yeah goodwill
yes because of and some more kind so Emma Ghana for Yan Mudi says well back beating to Tony Mama Niema let me be happy in that and I'm 4 years a trip the 5th year and the repercussions of some decisions taking you know whether good or bad you see air panning out and you see a swaba papa yehuaba papa a so bonensuswa okay because you cannot have any excuse not to have done anything about building a foundation for your government in 4 years don't mean kasada and I'm a part of almost excuse at least Sir President Mahama let's say at 20 so until we no any opportunity really 4 years President Mahama said we blame this 4 years 5th year you still blame President Mahama oh you didn't come and so do you see anything like that Opuma or Betna has seen comparing what we should be doing the standard President Kufuor with the mind and of course we shall play on fast so fighting the first 4 weeks and it's an excavator bruha a whole government the government of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Kufuor Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia MPP Aban those that tout themselves to be having the men to say the banu krum hapa dia wo emema chem dia emema gu akipa ya kase bema nya bema ne bema enfa na be hwebo be pani bi se na tenje si di se bi em fa nche kwase pani tenje se players no mo boni ni na no se bi omunim nyansa ne mum tenje si di de hwe obi a utimu se in fact we obi a eni da so ye de e hye da wo nyum bibia sei no tenje si ni timi ye de e twaje ina ma cha na me boa enti ade na ba
excavators 500 excavators wa interministerial committee a wote ye wa appointees na do mututo ano ayira yenya anu ahu kumasibre yentiminya anameboa excavator yesi yahu biana wo mo agigi excavators wo muni ho ya prosecute wo mo in some instances cry free wo mo because social charge BCU IECID in sense bia CID Bible and Tibet na Ira Martina Midu, former special prosecutor, so on. It tells you, say, it had failed because he refused to crack the help from his own side. MPP. Wabrane glaring enough, so more a digalana pa. MPP.
Mukasa yara allegation keke.
An allegation, yeah. Of the crew. Eba bonti be kan say you say John onya ne ba bi konya me fa ne currency yi anytime I want to me article pro forest
digala
wanka ya fra no kro to na no kan say asema o kan no kro mu na no kro nim ya nya no watrasa ani na no ani na nse ne hu original chairman a otimi tena live TV amansan ni na hwe no yi gold bar hi want to me be any penny kuruma
also we small scale mining
near weekend in see the excavators also we there until say small scale miners machines in ayeshino small scale miners e ba bonten
me ba de mo hwe e kejemfo a ne machines a excavators a operating hot for no twaja atumu kejemfo a no e national women organizer for Opoma party NPP ono na say galamsi a wo ye no atiwa area ho no dompem ene de ade no enya agro nti ye te ye kasa ye mfifrete ye no say ye nyae no na ono so no egumu ye priska gun botom
of course and Captain Smart kai entro the President Akufo-Addo should stop his people i.e. Eastern region ne ono akasa ananya no kan kedemfu a ye hihye na yi who kai say within the week last week in the course of the week small scale miners we are wanting say machine see am wo hihye ni mo hihye afra o mo a mo ye legitimate mine o mukuta license am ko de katre
secretary no what here on Wednesday
regional secretary was here almost there be ye hihye those that is engaged in the illegal mining kedemfu a ya hye no 8 machines to Kate no illegal mining. Oh, you didn't come.
That is what they are saying.
According to Kate, and then your customer Kate, and I'm attending on so many of the stations. Was it were you into small scale mining? So why do you ban the machines? One,
you know,
me can't say so one. And since you also I say you, I didn't think you fight a galamsey.
Tell you since you.
Yes, you. And so be food yes so.
Okay.
Any
reserve forest.
Any reserve for anything here, and of course, many I can on so many of the networks say, look, the burning of galamsey no suggest to the fact say MPP munu including President Akufo-Addo be no bet me galamsey so see easier. Other than that, say easy. Now say even boy they serve money interest in other areas and the gutters na here the certain. When you happen to Opoma and Abetina, there are district assemblies who excavators. Do you bend them? It is a recipe for corruption. And let me tell you how. You see excavators. Who are so much excavators, so I can remember what 10 people there be go on machine on your can you know for baby. Course it's 500 who be your fine.
Oh, this is no see on site wa omo mfa me fie. That's what they are saying.
Canada Japan. The first fight no fighting was the President Akufo-Addo asked why among 4 persons who call into prison Vanguard. Because a 1 year since I will yes with the new about yeah. Next ano kai was ask them a 2 almost easy I was hang. Gold almost easy didn't have they accounted to President Akufo-Addo no more yamaniana. You know 4 years over catch us and you take an unfair adrenaline running who can before you stop it. And I'm a boy. It's gold near a Canada Japan and then Ukraine. And have we called Kennedy Japan to interrogate him to that effect? I should say, and some now what can able to can and I some who say no because the two on a hit for crying a fire. And look at how they are fighting Galamsey.
Looking at say a party in government, National Women Organizer, and Kasa Machines 8. Yes, no. Does that give you confidence that the government is ready to fight illegal mining?
It gives me the sense that the government is rather reckless. Yes, the government is abusing the constitution of this country. Let me tell you why. Huh? Sir, what you wait? Last time, so who did Bonnie be near the end of home chronic? Me na me determine. Police need to determine you will be our Bonnie. Said the soldier need to determine you will be our Bonnie. Minister need to determine. Hey, why?
Court of jurisdiction.
But why do you bend them? And yet, be honest, what bend you will be there. Now, will be our car or so, yeah. Sabi, small scale miner on this MPP. See, I seen it there. What blow on your illegal mining? What can you finance them serious? But the quiet Kate did also a topical issue. And Kate didn't why? Because on no fool say, even po. Even illegal mining, Bono engaging into it, I must we bend 8 excavators without recourse to the law.
Was I a National Women Organizer? I'm the party by power.
Come on.
Right, I'm going to put my home. Opoakwaba.
Joseph.
On a walk there.
Yamigo Shram.
Yamidu Shrampa.
Scanning up maybe.
Oh,
this one you enemy. Salary by Nanka, I
well.
So, about me and make a yama.
Opona, I don't know what you say, Momo catches you, Munyai, Namana Mosé, illegal mining. No, yeah, the BA example. Last week, Wednesday, now regional secretary at the National Association of Small Scale Miners, now Otia. Can say, in fact, excavators now more no, illegal activities. Yene penifone bi di nkomo kire mu so omo so da bi the ese ni bia no omo illegal activity. Now kejemfo am National Women Organizer ono ankasa ni 8 excavators. She has also come out to say no, menye illegal mining, menye small scale mining. Yenyo no no di ni ana say yemfa no so no so illegal mining. And then now for yen hwekene dey upon say approach na mo dey kono enye say yes excavators. Yes excavators. After so excavators no, what next?
Yo medical yen chia ahwefo ni atifo na minu amoro ja man barkasara ozi man no on mom na nhweni ye chia obi bia so na memi ankase de bia na me ndisi for the trasia ya na mbusan say issues like this, are we doing it like NDC MP, or are we doing it like state issue? I they work saying here go Timoro Sema Okanya or no more car could say Katie illegal mining was aqua BC or say I done a Katie small scale mining now Yashi. So,
what is the input? Say, Kate knows what yes, small scale. But what for us, illegal mining.
All right.
Now, I'm to believe. I don't know whom to believe, but I think say you better operation for the Kate. Because no, me didn't do
anything. I'm say, maybe for very long time. I man, very serious. Many won't be that. One, because no seminary second seminary mujasem when with your master. Quite apart from this situation, among all my honor, but I mean, start to Kate, the other was only Canadian company. That means a small scale mining. Or my year for very long time. And yet, no more there, no more chassis. Ain't he? If I call on a then Ginaso, Emma, or what is she? If he said now, ya announce what you be asking. Before here illegal mine. Then we see why we illegal mine here. And I feel so visa when illegal mine. At least always be out. Or documents in your my address when illegal. I think. Mini mine. See I say. You have check it Ghana for any woman who na my passport special. And I won't crack. Mini auntie, you are bridge or my ball mobile. Who is who are only cut I won't be a give it money. But as far as they know, running near that is a copy or I don't want to believe so illegal. But for a small scale mine, with all this government policy to fight against illegal mine, until according to the statement, he is the general manager. What advice for the man? The manager or more sector operational manager, the site manager, and other things say you should get everything set so that in Crawford when you actually.
But then I remember the issue is that they say more mining forest reserve, and then more mining in Zoom,
and then illegal mining. Forest reserve no crown yes say. Who license crown now forest reserve?
Cut it for now.
Yes. And now who license now won't see crown also you pro. And where here
the priority.
Yes. But we in the general issue is illegal mining. Forgetting about where we are then. Enti no nya say me ni ensuano ana me wa asase. Asase so na mo forest. The best issue, the underlying word is illegal mining. And what we are saying is oh yeah, legal mining. One crata. Issues like this. Mike, I don't get it. I sympathize with it. But sometimes we shouldn't play with the government policies. It seems they often say, wa bang. It's a number to cranny be a bucket in but you are helping the government to fight against these people. Why don't you get your things set so that me buy masa more per day ha Erastus a story be so when you be
yeah.
Time on come soldier for later the other guys called the soldiers they came whether good or bad almost survive nipa later you be say anything. So get your things intact. Send your bear obiaba send it asem na kuti na yehu ne be me problem is say it may be true say Kate because company na oboni din any years I say in 2006 till this now at this time and only Canadian company so na so it's possible that he may have or she may have all these documents a bit we have a man of fine so on here but me consent say we see kra and our document and then you want the documents be a proper you have photocopies just to defend one or two and send them away. It begins a mistakes be buyer. I can't be maintain the side about but now I say it me the young perform say a questions ben umusano say there now would also ye legal mining now on crata then away. Me person me GD say it may be umusano sa question also and be any pananya then and provide. And now we are where say yeah kono ya na Ghana for ni ye party se me wawa obekaya sadia we kwina people rather brought this idea and I'm the excavator and ban mo wia 500 now you pese who say aduma ne koswa when you get the illegal people and you I mean seize all these things let burn it me about want
okay but those
you
became
one thing is
but
what is your problem
by small scale miners na katakwaka say burn the excavators is not the best option omwaka say yeah she excavators is not the best option when it comes to governance
I'm talking about nipa ni nyina ekona ye ma option say mokwa am burn where are these people and I don't feel that need the bro. Many concerns. Let's raise this legitimate concern. Say ban share your question there. Me no nya dey. Why dey share here na ya fe dey share nye. And what are those people are saying say ya dey cry ni ba adu Burkina adu wan ya the excavators ni bo mu wia. Now the excavators are in the bush. Ya see no. What is your problem again?
The problem is that another judgment debt and ye pay their more mine. That is one. That is one.
Yeah.
Say me licensed miner and what about 8 excavators. Maybe I allow you to respond to that. And no, and you can't hear more mine. 2. Who determines the wire bonnet or mine? It's a legitimate question. Says will be a woman will be a bonnet. Say, say, what can I say? You can see a car. A BNI 4, CID 4, and I'm looking to some more Baba Bumi. And I say, on Bessie, machine score. And I say, I was say, they find the due process.
Mike,
yes,
there were 2 authorities in Ghana. Legislative authority, that is here come Rakohenu.
Okay.
But at the same time, when the president speaks, it also carries weight. Yeah, when we were going for the last election, must say 500 excavators.
I must say
the NDC and other people, Galamsey people, are saying 500 Galamsey excavators.
Minister on the car.
Oh, you're right. Ebisa akodi Burkina, ebisa akodi ya. Ena government who say sa de na buy still ama Galamsey no. Asa pija kosro. Ene China for dua kogo ton. Yes, you cook kra starting my. So we need to fight back into a reform. Committee, the stakeholders, that is the traditional authority and other stakeholders. Galamsey Obiabe and Obiade. Now they arrive in a conclusion. Say, now there is a signal and mark. Say Galamsey, no man am kwana mu season kra mo mpa nyele. Now wo kwa send you Obiabe send your man. Enyen wa wo ye Galamsey. You will nyoma ade na ho mo mpese ye be kasa awe.
Free site.
I want you to underline that word before we move to the next step. Say no mo kai. Wa wo ye Galamsey bia no. You nyoma nyina free one coffee. Knowing very well say abiding him say nipa that's what omo ye dey Galamsey people. So he's giving you an option. Say you when you're affected or a victim to that particular issue. Enti kone ko you nyoma. Enti omo taso ni omo nyoma ba no. Why no more fight? Kate, I don't condemn Kate. What I'm saying is that now we need a question from both sides. I'm going to pusa Kate. Emma Kate manager say you also legitimate legal minors. You are in Krata and Oman King. Na saso wa Kate abani munipa. Abani shamre nyina me sure so yede. Okobi. My kotin yemichi. Enti abasa na saying no friend management meeting. Or catch on. Say abani be yede legitimate mining company. So let's get our papers in photocopies so that Obiba yedibeche no on high. At the end of the tremor, so I'm providing Sadia unless they will convince me and send a meet me because a bit more say, Mike, we know today the challenge. Kuma would soon on you, and a Kuma would now do Carbon say, the Pessia and Crophobia in Krata on the motos and in a manima. And I'm your motto snippy and Crawfordia Ejuma. The battle quickly, dear, I have to provide my people the licenses and the papers of that particular motorbike. The battle, the motorbikes, Nivia, Ushiana, where you moto a natural say, yeah, there were licenses. Name of the Pomandia, Etiamra, Katie, a very small scale mining and survey, called small scale mining, and Ghana for a you know, see, did you never tell me? And do you be sorry? And the maybe said, no, I said, oh, providing cut and money for.
And so the point is that before I also did about 2 hours. Only me provide Emma or Honent in Washington. That's what I asked of said, young court back say a judgment because now it's still regional small scale miner secretary. I confirm me. I say you know say Kate a licensed legal miner.
Oh, it may be true.
Company, no? Again, the Kate secretary indicated that they told them all these things. Okay. You beat them according to the report. And some price some of it more size crown. And then during the exercise crown so crown, there were calls ever said Munyai. It delayed you. You bent one side, you moved another side, and you bent it. Now, even maybe person gangi against the woman, and now say mu say mo de set as an example say ya hye ya kura ye nipa de a ene aha so ye na
no bet my adwin say mo say amamuo na ye bu no bet me no how the same party you be mpe wasem meboa. Secondly, obi so bet me free baby just to create an attention so that we get the way out. 18 I will hear me submission and start it unless say you bet say man ko for catch Kate management the catch o after moment near busa Kate say court preparation and or there what the man towards this exercise because you knew very well. I think Kate is always in Accra and at the end of the year no me in our Accra last one so
Kumasi. Second one of my
yes 80 I knew very well sir he knows all this thing so hot preparation or yechiro and then almost catch your man if he say no bad but in all this thing I mean generalizing issue yeah but I'm say baby some be shame here na me nua moro say and I can say smart say na non stop and crofo and why be now can na non stop crofo and na Kate one crata how can you stop it if all the lines over that stop by a can't galamsey and a galam and no two for can but your tama yeah to abaya a party be called galamsey site quiet campaign there no kind
party
NDC yeah pepra ye dey ni pepra
now
kwaku boy unya bi we
kwaku boy
ya kufu adu ko dina abo
masa nya mo ta bi
ya galamsey wo
deputy
e ka se party a do mama nya party
kufu adu
no
do mama nya party
in a party who is the opposition leader
now NDC who is your party leader
the mouthpiece of the party
why
I can't say my dues say kwaku boy can't seem to yet no compare president
me en fa kwaku boy some o kan
tell me you say president kwaku boy some obeka bia no interestingly it is his own opinion and obeka say
my o say asoma no
me ba cho Mike
na wala soma
Mike
yes
unim
moro dru dia so amabo rabo
Dabi say
you are here for the party
no asoma me wo so unim say I will do it better for your content say me go ade ka kire
yes
anu ti na wo frame it is some are my opinions me better na say so obisa me opinion
and me first mama opinion
me say pepra
yeah
or contested primaries for onisa me bo so kwaku boy
yeah
Yamin
yeah
and at the some call on ye hinfo and then on catch a galamsey for almost say we no ba almost on ba be gu adwuma ba ye de ba ye be mwan den aye ye mo ma me gu and these people I mean influence those at the bush in a sense that me and to abai kra ma abai
but they who so say
mami ye wie ye no e de na enwanwa say ebetumi abasen kate boni betumi akofrem because who argument that who setting na say who support to send any kwasi e Kate there no e ba jombo a
me and I'm asking two questions
if people
yes Canada abroad man
yes
because we have to pay
only people sir
that
is what I'm saying sir
that is why it is right
yeah two submissions in na say we need an evidence from both sides by generalizing it there in context no make us say Kate should have been a better person to advise the management because why buying the two sir enti say ebi na make catch there was a time me about the congestion ya planning we na me buy na me stress ahojo de yenye mama part yenye if you could remember that the congestion na me wo new stand kiosk esi ahojo drugstore and chain
okay
me buy na you know I was the first person na me tam me kiosk me ta opo ade me tam we na board the room and I'm say you see about the congestion wow container no store si baby ano ahojo ye bibia enye eti medical yi me de enti obi anyi ni de amfamra ahojo market ye ma baby panya de so I am saying say I do agree say Kate benya nkrata because doing this for 19 friends say since 2006 you know with Canadians you know brony man illegal nyoma amfama sa ebi a China for na be about Canadian brony enyesa but he should have been in a better place to provide Nkro for nkrata any asem eba mo wenumba sani ebe ya ban ni nyade enyase and na me think advice say it may be so also take it things for granted oh me ya ban e bo mi di na case Keta obi anya be
and I say so say illegal mining
yes so illegal mining there. Abai na yena juma.
Because you might have the license, no, and even per the understanding, per the understanding, small scale mining secretary better how ways they can actually any viewers and say small scale mining, no.
Mike, me that me tie ni interview here. Me problem na me wo ba ne say. Ade na de bia no yenye proactive.
The time na soon.
Ade na yenye proactive. Mike. Eti abai ni sise one fair small scale mining reps. They were there.
Almost say they can be a
what year? Oh, we are now one fan. All this and your man, you should have come out before.
What coming out?
I can say what in India way. When was that?
Okay,
what in India way?
Them on so many
no operations in Nesi.
Say Mike.
Yes. No operations in Nesi.
Chakwan no na nka wo dan a etene papa. Popo mai. At this case, an mining firm no. And extra buying says concession is a wurama legal and illegal.
Is it not possible say mebao? My member understand Accra from the small scale miners na some better now mekai no. Actually say even if you can say obi license to operator on small scale no. Small scale mining no your mount concession area na mining we are on license no twem wo when you a different site you go for another license.
Yeah.
So is it not what to say na kit initially no or license or there baby but they say no we be a tra akoba bi nso a or ya adwuma no nso a bi na ho no we illegally.
Say Mike
I don't think about aban no to me say yen because she is the national women organizer not a small fish.
Sabi one small entity.
Yes.
We need to make us one small entity. Because when a general manager of a good firm, we are large scale mine and small scale.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mamin kai wincho extra gold mining limited. Statement from Modiaba Bonte. Was it the military entered the concessions of extra gold mining limited in Etiwa West District of the Eastern Region on May 16, 2021 and burned 16 excavators and 1 bulldozer. Extra Gold Mining Limited is a legally registered large-scale leaseholder of 5 concessions, and our company has all the necessary government permits to conduct mining operations.
Okay.
We have been operating since 2006, and everyone, including the military, know we are a legal mining company.
Okay, I don't know. If that is the case, I don't know deliberately no. On the bomb mining car. Say no crap.
Yes, of course, we crack was full.
Yeah, still no money.
And it was for verification. It's one more call on more Japan as I said, and your invisible forces need data forces near Sunday or more. There should no concessions, sir. A young mining concessions, sir. Ghana for this card, a young call. This concession almost say a young concession on what permit to do in terms of mining.
How would they know?
The cost no crack, Mike.
How would they know? This one, I want him to clarify that point, sir. How would they know? Tell me, Moro. How would they know?
Extra Gold Mining Limited and a friend. Now I'm concession and I said no concession.
We are doing constructive argument.
Yes.
Where's no I say I was saying police in Libya we used to license
No.
What are you talking about? Police you ask for the paper.
You compare
what are you talking about? Let's do constructive argument. And then let's do constructive argument.
Say Mike.
Go by.
Say Mike. A whole large scale mining company. Even according to our press statement, the military should know, because you should know where that your friend is an illegal man in here. The
Oko district be more.
Concessions.
The whole life scale mining
understand what the
only document or site.
Bill.
It only plan.
Boil it down to one.
Boil it down to what?
It is the recklessness of that minister. So be decree against rule of law. Here, I mean, can't further. What about you say? What's it?
Where from me?
Our company. What's it? Our company. Pay big royalties, taxes, school land fees, social responsibility, and employ hundreds of local workers. At the same time that we are paying all these huge taxes, the military is burning millions of dollars of our mining equipment. These military personnel seem to be taking the law into their own hands. And then a recipe for judgment debt.
That is what I see.
A recipe for judgment debt.
If
Mike, is it not recklessness?
Mike.
Many Opoma Kwako share different platforms. Was it the burning of excavators of Untumine wrong? Some people on your media where a Christian in the excavators, the burning of excavators here.
Right, I was na yanya abo from Katomra. Fadwen Senebra via WhatsApp what the buy back in kind voice me back in kind. You didn't come out burn of excavators in the how to chief president Aka
how many people
maybe I could be small scale miners force as a portion and the national women organizer the company where you do excavators I the company called the say 16 excavators and the bulldozers and some of their equipment have been bent down. In chair when you about from Katomreba, you better us.
The animudia member for Nibintina Moni Ira, a binumba from was a mayor of our software, and so no manyama sorama. A com Obi or many will say stroke at channel. Why, ya stroke on Enco, Madam Sebra. Yajuma Memeneda,
okay,
Quisiada, Ejuada, Ebanada, Okoda, Yawada, a theater and a mania human, a theater over to me. I was some show because Nipa. And a Wahomeda, Yankopon, and Nihomeda.
Okay.
Aqualana Wawono, Aqualana 10 years, Echo 50 years on Nanteda. What the form? Obiso Wakwala, Aqualana no is so you. Obiso Hoso Wakwalano, the year I feel no corner, Yana Dasso, Ebiana touch them, I feel any tinny air, oh, no, chin touch them at the say, a war on Madam Sen Casa, Fanabra. A biso also a menu Casa or Senaban or no Tramado. We, Jot, Sabico care baby, you know, no, glue and Casancrano, or such glue count. Menu Casa or Babina or no Quadaye. After the year, Ubema, who got in a room, I said, a yard done to search deity, Malam Sawadiabra. Or Baby Ohana, Woodiano, I yet think. On the Bema Shiapa, no swooning in Asaba.
Bontain.
And Tianuntina on him. And I know what bar, Metro Quino. We're going to say, a bay
okay.
I will bang him easily.
Piao, so what you, and Danta the Bibuano. Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center. Ebnada Bia 7 to 9 p.m. And then is here, come out TV, na yamre, Sunsumu, and no suko. Na o how eda oso no mala mo hwe no nyi emfiri o emfa ema wo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wo hwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold na opese onya emwa ana se ebia kontuo enema ayeden ama wo ba no oda so jonso ana se akontuo enema ayeden ama wa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kokwawu atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao.
Hey Steve Ozode na wo kwai ja me kokot wo kokot hye wonti me case no ade makoto land bia ma che se me wo hwa na wo yaba na manso abusia asase wo asase ama sam na kodi court 4 years ni wo sika nyina asa aka mant no mabua ne ndemrem ye to asase a manso da so wa bra Best Land Estate Limited ewo omo asase won kran wo kuma se wo to asase wo Best Land wo na dua ka pe o ma 50 bars of cement free and I say 750 blocks at the amount free or the can land no amount
enu achi no se wonni sika kra o de be friw na wutua na kakra wonti omo di asase free me da message nyina omo na mama asase am mesrɛ fa me ko obetimi afa telephone number na desk screen so no na frɛ won sesi a na won nam court 4 years otimi di 1 year esi wo dan
ewiase ankasa no pese osifia eso pelandia ehwo dwo
ene na Best Lands Estate Company Limited be a landlord.
And Yaraho do obey and Ajini Pediano Abosso, Yarabi to say, and Yare, Akumayare, Wadumwatsu, Wuntimin Didi, Obani Berima Wuntimin War. May comfort a read naturopathic clinic at Dudrona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic Enam Homeopathy, Naturopathy Subetu Yarenina Efriho. Yane Kofabaye, the Madame Katri Tonic Abe Jamaiso, a bois yesi Pediano, Nitichu Edema and Ma, one man will feature NCC ye. Sawono Madame Katri Tonica, a bow, Emma Winnipediano, any year now, Bwama will feature console aye kama. Ye won't feed you our soya, dear Beja, my soya, this shady Pedianimu, a year raw do a hinting na Eddie. Katri Clinic, Ewokumase, Asante Mantem Buadinia wo. Madame Katrin Clinic, ya ring na last tom.
FD, I should say, Jadi Katu, Imwajia to say a ye.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on 90 da woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne timi mo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom osa glue ankasa nkra no osa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba bonten enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kyerɛ wo kwan no wo be kono say abɛyɛ mremremre okay a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu ena sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwa atibie tienie kwa atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwawu atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM.
Right, yes, I am Wakwaba Oguso Sinu Pimimfa Seda F my Best Land Estate Limited. There be a catcher was a assassin, the Abia Beto. But I bet I saw Batiska Cotasasi, now a few 3 months will be brave. Obequaba, so never also no. Na assassin, a cacrabo, one cry, I see a car. Or the eto assassin, and Tipabia, as I said, Beton or Manson Emma home. Best Land, Esmen Canto said, we are Jumani. Boja juma na oya na sase no wo ska de tuan na obeje uni ska na tuan krakra so obeje na otimi sase no amawo obi ewo Asante Mantam mu ena obi nso ewo Greater Accra region na Accra home office no ewo Kwashiman bus stop obekuma senso a omo ewo Krofrom CPC behind S5 eho ena Best Land ewo wo amana ne o heme o pasa ase abeto ho masem wonkom man koye busuan asem bia na manso bia Omadiana Best Land na HML 055525 0555253338 for best land for na omuntimi emu Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic say yare bia ha obia no bra na omo emu a isusu no na yete Madam Catherine Mojaduro omo ana ko fa yare sabe kese e de be fe ne Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic wode yen kasa yen ha ma ene Dubai e na ese yare no e o makachi yare bia no mo de na fa ko na omuntimi mu a wafa furo so akọ na omuntimi hwew na afi nema enkoye emfa emakopem se obewo afa ho afa oba Tawhid fo e Kumase Buadi ho ena omo Odum Junction wa na onseni faso branch na wawura mu e ho omo se yare bia bra na omutimi enhwew 0278626262 0278626262 from omo ebejo so Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center e okwu atibie eskafo amantem e okwu atibie eskafo amantem ho na Mala Muhammad owo bomodian ne ko se awo na hwan yedin amawo sikasem na hwan yedin amawo we adwuma nso adwuma ne nkoso ubi o shop na manfo emma we adwuma skantimi entra won semo ncha Malam Sebra na omwa ope protection yarebi na hawo etwere edam oba adwonso wonyina oguso adwonso oba no na no esonsuo niti eda ho yare bi hawo bia no Malam se bomodian ne to anamo ebra na nchen okwawu atibie eskafo amantem o Eastern region ho na Mala Muhammad owo sanso na ebia na wono spiritual attack bi na hawo wafuo kokwafuo na yefuo no obi ade so uguso uspre kama enso court case bi eno anya wodibem ba na se de sikona hwe ya na yebu aguso wabo bi pa wabo bema bia ma bema na nei wonya Kumase abeton yankra kwotena na djuma eyeye otugo db ene mekoso no watwa wabo Malam Sebra obesa atwe ba back amu se ha no free ansa na ohakoyeye ni nyina no eye ko atibi eskafo amantem obefre Malam ewo 0246 647 247 kwa watibi ewo Eastern region kokko na afi watu aso ewo bomaden eko na Malam etimi emwao we say good evening Sir Mike, I'm enjoying your show. Tell Opoman to understand that Kate Jemfua is doing an illegal activity because according to the minister, he says all the areas they have been burning are illegal areas. Yes, so Kate is involved in illegal activity. Okay, we say good evening, boss. I support the burning of the excavators. They should burn it all. They were warned to stop doing that before this exercise started. Should we allow just few greedy people to destroy our lands for their families to enjoy from Ebua Kwaba, Achem, Apedja, and our different there by Ebua Kwaba, Yancho, and Yumrain? Hi, Sir Mike, I'm enjoying your show. Great show this evening. Tell Opoma you should relax. Okay. Greetings to the NDC man. Eben, and so the Abba, and so I don't know. We say, please tell your panel members that those excavators seen alongside are all doing illegal activity in our area. Kate should not confuse us. Is it because she is an NPP member? When they burnt others, who spoke for them? We should stop this discussion and allow the operators to operate. Okay, yate also what the ebra can etimi ede amao yamna opo kakra bi on that afi yemuremu are we in dumso you know kasa wo swete because we are in dumso or dumasiesie as the minister who said you are seeing dumso dumasiesie
I'm saying 7 na etie for mo ni afo ka bia na bia na say the bia no ade a national issue bia na NDC bia peso here no ene de den NDC for be defend Kate so legal mining on your rather saying the burning of excavator. Let me finish it. Kate nipa yeah me nim ni that but the women organizer of South Africa Ephraim honestly a minua okay and I'm in the share just last 2 weeks friends ade everybody and Martini dia elections e ko nyina me ko mu me share that in ya one but what I'm saying is
she's a nice woman, yes, nice person.
Me problem so tie me here the na me even though say Kate kra na legal mining no ya why ban take a decision you have the documents and mining area they have offices, restaurant, everything. Why don't you send the photocopies of your document? Now on Fanko. Number 2, yeah, Kwabino, Nipa Modi Adimba in answer 500 excavators Moria, a big call Burkina, a big call your friends and Niger. It now, some of us here who some more Yano credit, which I why do we discourage a work of national force? It more Yam and Nipana, and I say, is
it also not failed on your part, say, and you're buying a society? NPP are buying, and I'm going 500 excavators, and I intimate country say the command Benting, and I say the command Benting. And no kind of failure on the part of the government.
What's the Professor Frimpombo Boating ever can say Ira? Just to confirm it, it means the assumption say in himself and I. So we don't need to go there again. Okay. What we are saying is a mistake near you. Now, yen sampa wine the emra. Now when you confirm me, I can't wine the naira. Eti you be any bibiano. The any penny na can and say me. I heard a lot of people on say for you to know say and now for us to believe say adiano ye dumano ye koto adiana ye nyede yes no. Me pato how many people ni aso omo de. Adena Kate nkwade na pese ka. Adena Kate die nkwa na NDC fo abiso. When you can walk as your friends say, to be the NS, to be the many years, I know you Busan say, Saturday she won't to me. How many people know more about Bobby the show? Was that right? Was that right? She won't to me. That is why I said that one, no hatred or no qua. I don't know Jenny Papa, Kokoshi Papa, Kunkwadi. I play Henry. Why? So my basis is not about the Galamsey, but about say who choose to the Papa, I say, wait here, why people it machine. And now, MPP, as we all know, now, unless a Kate, any impending for the preview document to court, Amiako, what we know is illegal mining. Washing the party there. What is your problem as an NDC man?
But is it not serious, sir? I buy now a fight illegal mining. No, on one and croft what? That's a dear Kano. And yet, you are money at my Takana mono, a small and a but I said, my own one, my one way, anything. I don't want me mount a friend say the deputy communicator second I will hear be our call I'll see yeah Miami good man by John Bois. You were aspirant or contest NDC I will join an Ekasa. You were your friend say about 3 to 4 MPP guru NDC guru sir normally the campaign at the bush. I can't say Juma ye didn't hear me about what I say. Okay. It was not good, but they were not in government. You have every right to stop them. They started while they were in government. They started while they were in government. The American John said that one day we should not go there. What you are here? Otum for a complete bibia. Or say at the end I'm no be account. And it is true. So now, me count, Michael count, more count. Let's stop. Yes, die. No. And to what I can say, you excavator. Now fees are buying it. Very well. Moro. Now the issue is that say MPP for a year, say NDC for a year. Now no, it should be a year. Into when you are near about site, when you NDC or MPP. But there's a question you will be able to say. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please ask Opomai. Okay, please ask Opomai for me. Should they have burnt Untumi's excavators? It's a question he's asking. Maybe you may not want to answer. Say, akwashi Untumi so there. So them illegal mining there.
The mining company your friend is saying.
Oh, illegal mining. I said Untumi is not above the law.
Okay.
Is it Untumi bigger than the laws of the land?
No.
Yes. It is a Untumi illegal mining. No more idea. They should go and ban it.
Yeah. I know.
That's all. But no back on the mining document. Yeah. You can do it.
Good.
Yes.
Moro, are we in Doomso or Doom CC? The minister says in CC in CC and and you Doomso. Who is out here? I was sweaty. Opodo, I sweat to crowd more.
Now, the person is set per year because Mukondi air conditioner. Yes. Send your bear meet me a shit
every day. But how would you like? But then, and then, Michelle and me, Michelle and me, you
say, Mikey, lighting in Numana. A part of young so. Sir Mike, me be so we didn't come on.
Yes, sir.
See us so.
But it's not different.
Sir Minister on here. The political career be ending. Now me penasem pa woni me ntia. The first meeting on the Greek of Wonya. So woni me oba bonte be kan. Was the Greek of Wonya say ya shut entire Greek community entire bui down. A bui enya adwuma bi o same bo ade ka kire.
But later they
wani na no ani na nsa and after the worry. Why MPP new Chief Executive Officer of Bui? No, I say I want to be bold in this instance, Mr. Minister. You were misinformed. You were misled because Bui Yendumuno. It is not about generational capacity. Generational capacity. The one Kassamu Finance Minister in a Parliament. I can say President Muhammad the Duana my Ama abruso sami bo ade ka kire me. Ama no kra yentimi nton my neighboring countries ni nya no so emrega. Sami bo ade ka kire me. Na problem so say na generational capacity. Ana is so mo ase transmission. Generation abruso ama. Se say nhuma ye de be fam no kra no. Aye de nyesa no mo ka. Na ye busa se mfie na ni nyina de no me fast transmission. Say why? Generational capacity ye kwa ko pe bi basically. Yetimi akwa dia ba eye President Mahama
go fa na hene ba
na nhuma ba ni na mu akwa traffic yin sise ni yehu enfie na ni nyina President Akufo-Addo and the so called men they have no entimi andwene enhu se be transmission no bibi until now aye wurade no ene yesi bibi the transmission na ye nkote enye dum so na aba na mu ye dum sie ye kani ano say dum ensanso kana for so mo da dum so mo so kire mo ai asem foforo dum so anya ne art ne de to ne din ye dum ne aso ene ye say dum so ana meboa na ye num nso wo na ba cha Ghana for say MPP for no dream say bio e ba ne nyansa bo akwa wo krom ade o mu ne nyansa chen wo bia na e ba ne school so mo ko school chen wo bia wo krom
that's not fair
that be that's not fair when the first na dum so no mo nka na brofo bi no mo ka se ho sa brofo mi ya rehearse answer na e kama no o mo say erratic power supply and na mi busa say me ma mi asa bi wan ko school da say wo di twabidi egu fufuo hu to ayo ma wo hu kinkan no twabidi no wono sa erratic power supply no be kan say Mike me fa cho wo na etwi ni obe kan say erratic power supply no obe kan say dum saba na wo say di onu matem won tira kon ye be fa so ye be solve problem no na wo tira am say da bi nya dum so na aba na we dum sie ta bi Ghana for mu nim de say Mike ne mutimu mu nim ne mutimu sabi NDC for na ka say dum so aba na asafo market cost of no mo nam say de bia no sabi omunim se dum so na aba wo mo de light yet mo kroma de bia mo ka kire mo se mo de taxes aba be gu wo so na nso mo nya electricity fa nya o madwuma no sabi o mo ya NDC for kroma ye dum light ye dum no NDC for fie enkwa BB for ediem kroma se si ato aba ehfo na nya BB for na nya ye num light nche ba bia kroma enya ho de hwa na yeti se si TV ya yeti nya ne yeso ati enya mo light ni adum no senka light no ho anke be so ati sei masa se wo moa ya afo amensen na aduru ne minister ne be kekan ye no ne anu bi na Ghana for petie okay ne Ghana for petie ni se ade be china ne light aye da ne o mo kama Ghana for bufu kura ne say President Mahama Mahmoud am 4 years etie de ya about 3 months ebi so 1 month look that is not standard in terms of governance. We are to about to President Mahama and Ameboa. I didn't need to about two. Yes, senior no ye nene day. And Ameboa. And I'm more to Obama, dear, or some way. One young compare Nediano, you have to compare to standard. Okay. Not do comparative more yam and I pet. Now, where the Ghana for say President Mahama now must know a born crown. In fact, what yet President Akufo-Addo be brave. Did you hear anything about fix the country? It was fix the light for us. But this time around it is to fix the country. Everything that is going on is wrong. Right. Foundation now it is not yielding any result. Give us better foundation. Now 4 years are ended. my better foundation be 5 years now nkokra bom na ko ready the better yi se nkokra bom pa na say Mike wo se wo ko awrade adidi a
interesting
Bible say kai wo bofu wo mrant brem ansa na dabone na yedai wan ka sen kokura brem
mirasi
na wo kokura na ko awrade adidi
we say it is quite unfortunate but the burning of excavators is something I can't afford to understand. At least it is good it affected their own sister. This government is not committed to the fight against illegal mining at all. Ubiba from Atonsu and our day Abba Eda Martin writes, I'm watching you live, say Mike Eda. Yenasi say okay yene numre chebusia for hi say Mike, kindly tell the NDC man to understand that this is a serious government fighting a serious cause.
I have not seen anything like that.
We say good evening. I support. Okay, I think. Okay, I think I've read your message. I've read your message already. I mean, kind of we say, please, Mike, kindly ask Mama Jane as to why we those at commercial bank the reason why we have not been paid. I'm more easy for more quite easy. You know, business can money, but I'm so mutia and check Monsomo no ebeba. I say long time seen Oppo mine. A great Oppo for me, but tell him this time round we have all failed. Well, me name the party there, but I see we now failing. Well, Madam Mohammed, the ancient and you may ya chapa, go to be an hour, a champion malam, and you may a chapa. Oppo, doom son on the woman is it the other doom son of a pan, and yes, I want to have my was on because they said, my father have a moose, yes.
People that
I mean, doom so
ever since I'm started communication, both parties,
factual.
And I always try to fight social issues. I think I've already told you some time ago. Say, I had phobia and mommy that advice. Me call, where they make more room, but make a minute. You both say call World Climate Change Program or Germany. Because share Uganda, and all catch them say honorable. You know we have two types of politicians. We have partisan politicians and social politicians. So okay, but you know what? Partisan politicians always thinks about the next election, but the social politician thinks about the next generation. You see the
next generation.
Yeah. The partisan politicians always thinks about
the next election. Oh, baby, what should you do? Maybe elections.
About when election.
Yeah.
Okay. But social politicians always thinks about the next generation. Yeah. That is what Nana Akufo-Addo is doing.
He's thinking about
for the Galamsey. Because all being sued that but coming to the light problem.
Okay.
Me because of that advice, always be a true MPP. My year my channel my mom minister ni baby. My year my channel my mom DC and MCs baby. They also knew very well so Bowman is more powerful than most of them. But when your appointment. But when it comes to social issue, sometime in time find your politics. Sa can ya be me de bia me ne microphone me share me say sometime let's go do good communication, not like what Moro no say. Let's accept our problems, have time to explain it to those who are affected, and later on ya mama mo man say this here is it no be case dum so now banazi oh enye dum so ade so dum na wi aye yes sir. It's almost the same as before near there. Now ECG forward PRB and one boating Kokobi no Obeka have cast no regional ECG Ashanti region.
Oh okay.
Almost public relation of
Erastus
no so the Erastus no you have cast Mr. Erastus Mr. Erastus no
yeah
Mr. Erastus
maybe this person
but sa kwa me kai sa time say dum so ne buy ya na e ka no mini o kasa wi awo bosia kra be san bo ECG phobi so ne omche onya abo try accept nsem amaka nyina gitum se bia antwa yi owi onya abo try I believe the MPP communicators and our people we should start doing this communication that adie no eyampa Minua, me no kasa ikran say if it is about money cry, look at the situation in the world. COVID nipa room in your maba. It may be a situation in Caribbean iska, but look at what we have spent in this particular pandemic. Quite apart from the minua, and the Juma infa cry, the Juma Koswa, Obi Cope, Juma cry, no one saying yam foreign donors, some of them were baba. But the thing is, fault number. A jamoro mabwa, and I'm seeing a mum, the yes, yambo. Yasu saw the my baby, I don't know. I was here extended to send your canoe. Near to man with empty and a power and won't me power and was no. Now they come in why? It been when a problem. Okay. I was here to me services and your money now. So in a while, I buy net me, I have travel out. I can say, yeah, services for other friends say. Regions near send your baby expanding electricity problem baby also we need to change one or two things. Some your money in our buy net me I then. Yeah, make me dear, mammy happy kakran say dear, more rotias is here. What you two say doom so no? Say you doom so, say doom says you abba Minister Kasamewa. One mom said there is a problem. You could so I had a yes, so we are a bit my day. So Mimi to see I mean say do me lighter. Minister Eden Akasa. Unlike before. Okay, this oh, BBNC. Oh, and this what is the difference?
Do you want to say NDC admit it? Because I remember Mahama saying say I will fix the so forever. Yes. We accepted. We accepted.
I will normally give timeline.
Oh, I mean, one of the state of the nation address.
Yes. And then he says, I'm going to give you extra energy of which I will be told.
Before they know the guy can see the Ghana for any.
What are the timelines? It was the timelines.
I'll stay so far.
More
if you want.
All this.
What is factual?
Problem the fees in answer. I mean, no, many Ghana for you I say, Juma, COVID by Krenyanko. But we should also understand. And American, Germany, baby, will be a because I affected the whole world. Only it is the Capran also the year. Sikan him and alcophobia or the baby or the baby. It's media. Mike, me per se, a better time because we tell you here, you do light. Here, I want you. And then we draw a bit for me. Hey, Opo, and maybe ABC will not be kind of saying, minimum anymore. Under and this time, because now you do now. Michael Bona, the buying light is so by na kasi. And I wait them for me to well near Kwame Dinka. Okay, Unia pay. Yeah, missing. Opo, now is any light, yes, you do me a hard idea. Who's you do now? They affected Paracuna. And then I know. And I say, any no paying ye creativity. No frame nature. Well, you am soon. I want you a first class residential area. Yeah. Your bills are far different from others. I didn't your story and you do your Kenya. Now you're so casting your soda. Since it was very hot a year, a month for soon. I don't know you are casting off. That buy off. I've been I yes, who I get in it. Max, me to come, I'm pro car crying you. And I don't know I'm here, but you do like that. Every year came. So it's real. Right. Cost, but me feel say, about where do I bold? Wabeka, what chance is say out the idea? What you have? Ah, you did. Okay.
Obi so say minister Asmo kai no me who message wo ha well but there is issue be okumawu ebia later on you better address that issue no maybe in the course of the week. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Yeah, did I be our free? Yentio. Right.
Now the one that get when the two direction then the NDC communication
Sa crusade
na mo refi me ayi no dwe yi adwuma ma mo sa dum ayo
nkan po
on
Okay. Yeah, Nancy. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Good evening, okay, free. Member free. Yentio. Yeah.
we excavate the new plan. New plan. We excavate the new plan.
Then I say, hello, good evening. Multiple on the from Mr. David Munyan Freso, Oba, multiple on the from now into me and Tonka a year. Lower the volume of your TV set, and then let's hear you through your mobile phone. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, you free.
Yeah, we need to hear for free Asante Mampo.
Hey, for the interim free Asante Mampo.
With that, we don't have to say what we are actually said. So,
Hello, effort. Okay, I think that everyone and K. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Ibacha, Obama TV on the form na intil our phone are different. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Too bad. You have a phone in see. Mr. Ofra, I am out TV on the form. Na intibi ente wonka. Who's all the phone free? You always be out for just lower the volume of your TV set. Mananko from cry. Then to in the future call for no one sir. Let me at the ama. Popo,
Mike.
Yes.
I am any panel from here. You can excavate the you can. Let's clear this.
But a bit a
district assemblies. District assemblies. Okay, catch up. You bet me Eddie at the Sultan. You
na enya adwuma here
matwase ba wo komre na obi adwe ne die excavator na enyi kwan o
kan kwan ye no
kwan wo betutu kwan no kwase no
kwan
eti semo excavator ye nyima district assembly to
but
the problem is what say ye dia ye ton so to cut everything short ye ton
but why didn't you discipline yourself as a party say
yes
allow me to. Ghana for say sebi mu bu akonfo ade ye je no ye wi aton nti now no ye nyina ya nwele Ghana ho ye display ho na ye wi a ma ye nton ye je a ma ye nton ye mfa enye bibi mfa mo man no
nkanya say ade na otra so nkan kire wo mo say aban ni se me enye galamsi entu fidie na ewo ho no ye free one na mo ye galamsi
mo na na
simple
yes me
simple na mo ye ade mo ba mo be can speech is am pesa mo fight ade part to the new la ade na mo wo pem so na me bo odi anu mama mi mo so no mabo mi mu ase opem so me kan statement I was na kan ni obuku some mo fight ade
paso de na
actually na kan no some mo pesa mo fight ade no to the new la
kama na kwan
na to the
na say mo bo wa
say me kan mo
wa say una wa wa say wo bo akra
na kan ni
mo mo tete anya ma na mo ya
government The community police report say aban do maka community police for no almost say aban do maka e be sra ban what the community police for no ka inchi western of for say unti o maka Vincent, let's know how many months and what demoka na fi fish na ko nyamre any hon come what opoman Ibrahim Bodi former presiding member KMA and I feel so ben share so anya agoro kra ye kwani mu ano nhia so oba baba he say people man you go betimi age chairmanship place ni na so na etimi
aka de retire
so na wote Regional Admo, Asante Region.
Retire.
On behalf of the Thai crew, that is Munina, Yamia Nwachna, over Tienka, Madam Mohammed, and Nebusa Funina, Yachaman, Yakram.
Animudia member for Nibintina morning ira ebinumba from was a mayor on my software so no manya masarama akom obi o wa mene wo kase stroke action wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra ya djuma memene da
okay
kwesieda ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se na ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be ko say abeye mremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na o haw eda oso no Mala mo hwe na onyi emfiri o emfa ema wo